Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always. So I am back with another natural hair tutorial like I so love to do. So this week I wanted to show you all how I spice up my puffs, alright? So make sure that you all stay tuned. Alright, so real quick before I just dive on in, what's really important about the look that I'm going to do this week is that I am doing it on stretched hair. Okay, so my hair is not freshly washed. However, you guys know that I am not a proponent of working on your hair when it is dry, because that's how we get split ends, our hair break off, all of that bad stuff we don't want. Y'all know I'm against it. So what I have done instead is moisturize my hair, and I detangled it a little bit. So next, let's go ahead and dive further into our products and what you're gonna need to achieve this hairstyle. So first, we're gonna need our wide tooth comb, a brush, rubber bands, Eco styling gel, hair ties, and then I will also be using a pick, which is optional for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do first is just go ahead and section my hair in half, going horizontally from ear to ear. And my hair is already parted. So like I said, from ear to ear, you wanna part your hair horizontally. But what's really important about the front is that you want your middle piece of hair to be just that, in the middle, okay? And then as I parted my hair, I did a curved part. So again, just gonna section off this piece of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on one of the side pieces of my hair. I am just going to part my hair in half. And again, I'm gonna do somewhat of a curved part. Okay, and so your part should now look something like so. Okay, so from here, just gonna spritz my hair with some water, and then I'm gonna grab some of my Eco styling gel. And then what you're gonna do is just begin to flat twist your hair. Okay, and so your hair should now look something like so. And so all I'm gonna do next is just begin to put this in a bantu knot, just so that it doesn't loosen up or anything. Alright, so just like that. So once that is complete, you're just gonna do the exact same step with the other half of this section as well as this side, okay? And we are done with that portion of our hair, and so your hair should look something like so. All right, okay, so what I'm gonna do next is just begin to work on this front section of my hair. Okay, what we're gonna do really for the remainder of this hairstyle is do really big chunky bantu knots. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just divide this in half. I'm just gonna do 3 chunky bantu knots. Okay, so we're just gonna divide my hair into 3 sections, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just begin to do a regular 2-strand bantu knot, okay? Again, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat these steps all the way throughout this front section of my hair. All right, y'all, so this top section of our hair is now complete. So what we're gonna do with the back is the exact same thing. And your parts don't really matter, but I would try to keep my bantu knots about the same size of what I have at the very top. So our hair is done for the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair. And I will see you guys on day 2. Hello everybody, it is now day 2, and it is now time for us to take down our hair. And so as you can see, it's set really good overnight. I've went ahead and taken down all of my bantu knots. So what we're gonna do from here is just begin to unravel, okay? So here is the fun part. You all know the drill. If need be, you can go ahead and begin to stroke your hair with oil. Okay, all of your twists. And this, so we have number 1. so our twists are officially complete. So from here, I'm just gonna get my pick and I'm gonna begin to lift my roots, especially in the front, okay? And that's just, again, to create some body, okay? And so in the back, I'm gonna add a little bit of gel. So from here, I'm just gonna begin to add my hair ties to make my puff. I'm not really sure what happened with my sound, but no worries, that's all we're doing right here. Super simple. And again, I'm just gonna begin to dig in here and fluff out my bantu knots with my pick, okay? And voila, ladies. Okay, so my hair is now complete and this is what we have. A super cute and sophisticated natural puff, right? It looks like an updo, like I just went up here and curled some of my hair, but we all know that is not how we accomplish this style. So here is the side, the front, the other side. So yes, ladies, that is all I have for you all today. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for photos. But I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.